Hello. My name is Kayla and I will be showing you how to use the MySchoolBucks mobile app. So, already previously recorded this because I don't feel like doing that much editing. So, I'm gonna go find that video. There we go. No. Okay. And enlarge that. Yes. Okay. So, also, I'm class of 2022. I was just a freshman, so if you would like to come and say hi and say, oh, I saw your video, thank you, you can do that. Or you don't have to. You really don't have to. I understand. But anyway, let's get started. So, the My Schoolbucks app is of course, the blue app that says My Schoolbucks to the left. That's what it's going to look like in your app store. Depending on what type of phone you have, they should all look the same. Then it'll lead you to your sign-in. Your sign-in will be given to you by Mr. Sazo. He'll send a link on how to create it, but that mainly seems like a parent's job. You can help out if you would like to, but I don't see any big deal of stressing over how to create your account. I think that's mainly for your parents to worry about. Then I'll lead you to the home page, which is where you will see all your meal accounts. I only have one because one kid going to Sacred Heart. I'm an only child, so of course my name is right there. I have $43 in my account, and once I click on that, it'll show me my cafeteria history. Since I haven't used any of my money in the past 30 days because we're on summer break, it doesn't show anything right now, but usually it'll say the name of what you had because they're all labeled in the food system, and then it'll show you how much it costs. So in case your parent was like, what did my child eat today? It'll show exactly what you ate and how much it cost, in case you were wondering. So that's all that will lead you to, if you just leave that. On the bottom, you'll see there's 4 buttons: Home, Add Funds, Invoices, and Alerts. If you click on Add Funds, it'll lead you to the Add Funds page, which is where you will refill your account with money. Basically, if you want to quickly say, oh, I just need $10, $20, $35, you click the buttons at the top. Or if you wanted, hey, I want to fill it with $50, press Other. And then you select your payment, Visa, credit, whatever you're paying with, and then you press Submit. Boom! Then you have $50 in the bank in case you're at school and you're like, oh no, I don't have enough to pay for the spaghetti. If you go to Invoices, I've never had to worry about invoices, and none of my friends really have had to worry about it. I think it's something that your parents have to worry about, so just leave that button alone. Your alerts, if you get a message in case they're informing you like, hey, you have $20 left in your account, you may want to refill it just in case you forget. I've never really gotten a message because I don't use my account that much, but you see I got that one message, but besides that, that's pretty much it. So that's all I get from alerts. This app isn't necessarily exciting, shall we say, but once you sign in and you get your code, that's all you really have to worry about. And that's the thing, your code. So once you sign in, and in Mr. Sazo's email, he will send you a 5-digit code. I think it's 5 digits. Yes. He will send you a 5-digit code, and basically all you have to worry about is maybe memorizing that code and making sure you don't lose it, because someone else could use your code and use your money, which you don't want to do. Just sidetracking for a second, you'll see that it says add student also, so that's when you have like a sibling or if one person is managing 2 kids under the same account, you can have 2 people under one account, and you just need to add them. So if you wanted to say, I want to add $50 for this person and this person, you can send it, and it'll automatically just fill and make the transaction for you, which is probably really helpful if you have siblings or like a big family. I don't, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, so back to the code, all you really have to worry about is just memorizing your code. Because once you have your food, you don't want to be pulling out your phone or a slip of paper or anything and saying, oh, look, I don't know what my code is, because everyone's going to be sitting there memorizing it. So I just recommend you memorize it. It's really not that hard. You'll get the hang of it. And yeah, that's all you really had to know about the My Schoolbucks app. It's not really super exciting. So yeah, that's all you have to know. It's pretty easy. But if you have any questions, go ahead and email us. Email shcstacks, and we will write back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you guys have a great first year. All right, bye.